Indian team did have a comfortable win against Afghanistan in the first ODI, where the debutants Harsh Dubey and Gurnur Brar did shine so bright that everyone is talking about them till now. But now the question arises, who's next? Who could get a chance to play for this Indian side against Afghanistan, because this Afghanistan series is more of an audition for the debutants who can do well and can serve Indian team for a longer period of time. In the one of test, Manav Sutar did a very good job. In the first ODI match, Harsh Dubey and Gurnur Brar did a very good job. But there is one player who could get a chance in the next ODI match, which is being played in Lucknow. And that player would be Prince Yadav. Prince Yadav did play for Lucknow Super Giants in the IPL 2026, and he played 14 matches where he took 16 wickets with the economy of 8.82, which is not a bad number at all. And he has a lot of variations, and also he could bowl under pressure, which I think everyone did see when he was playing for Lucknow Super Giants. Reason being that Prince Yadav has played so much in Lucknow in that particular period of time of IPL, which could be helpful for the Indian team if Prince Yadav debuts on 17th for the second ODI. Before the start of the series, it was already clarified that new players will get chances, some senior players may get rested, and also number 3 position. Many players will be tried on that number 3 position. Ishan Kishan was tried in the earlier match, in the first ODI match. Now, who could get a chance on number 3? That will be seen. But if we talk about bowlers, Prince Yadav has a solid chance to get his debut cap against Afghanistan on 17th. Up. Now, who can get rest? That is a very different thing. Maybe Prasidh Krishna could get a rest because he has been playing the IPL, then he played one of test, so maybe he could get some rest, or any other player could get some rest. But the chances of Prince Yadav debuting in that particular match is very close, is much higher. Reason being that it was already clarified that new players could get a chance. So Prince Yadav, he played very well in the Delhi Premier League. He did a very good job in the 2025 IPL also, where he got hardly 5-6 matches. And the variations he has is excellent. The ball he bowled to Virat Kohli and took his wicket, that ball was excellent, and that kind of variation is needed by the Indian cricket team. Gurnur Brar, on the other hand, did a very good job with proper pace, with proper variations, but Prince Yadav also did a very good job in these Indian tracks in the IPL. So it would be very interesting to see whether Prince Yadav gets a chance or not. But keeping that in mind that the next match is in Lucknow, he could get a chance to play for this Indian team against Afghanistan and to show his ability and caliber, which he has shown in the IPL, which is the reason he is here in the ODI squad. For more such news and updates, keep watching Dev Sports. Thanks for watching.